you would like to come for a portion of dust or two, you're more than welcome, because at the moment being, there is nothing else to sell. And if anything, I'm standing off many decks.
Pieces of wood.
Yes.
Well, hello and welcome back. Thanks for coming back. We're on downtown Paphos on Bar Street. This is, of course, the Marika and Me Lounge Bar. The electricians are working very hard. But before we take you and show you what's been going on, let's go and show you the rear of the outside cocktail bar, where, of course, Miss Hutchin Priscilla Booth is perched on some wood, planks of wood. There she is.
Look at me. Don't you feel sorry? I am risking to break one of my two legs. Luckily, I've got 4.
2.
Yes.
Are you coming?
If I do like this, I can be like a doggy dog.
Like a doggy dog. Well, you never know. We might get one of those for you a little bit later. What do you think of the little bar?
Did I say hello, everybody?
Probably not.
How nice to see you again and again. Especially today, I am so happy. This is what I wanted to see. The open area of the summer bar. The summer bar is going to provide you smoothies, ice creams, milkshakes, crepes, everything sweet, ice cream on the cone, and all the rest beautiful, chilly or not very chilly desserts, ice creams, and all this will make your mood for the summertime, will chill you out whilst you're going up and down to investigate our Bar Street. And we actually continue in the Bar Street further down. Can you imagine how beautiful it's gonna be?
It is going to be indeed. Let's just show you a view from behind the bar, and I'll get on the sticks. That's the view that we will have from behind the bar. That's the terrace, and of course this is Marika and Me at the terrace. That's where you could come and sup on a pint or two. That's where you could have breakfast. That's where you could enjoy that ice cream, that smoothie, or perhaps that crepe or two. And of course, this is Bar Street, the most famous street in the world, certainly in Paphos, so we're very easy to find. So, on the 15th of March 2025, that's when we are going to open. We might dibble and dabble a week or two before, but the official launch date is the 15th of March 2025.
I would say we need here also some lights, because I can see the lights over there. Should I ask Marios if it's going to be the lights?
I think you should, so that we clarify.
Μάριο, να σε
There
ρωτήσω.
he is on a ladder.
Αυτά τα φώτα πάνω που είναι στο, μόλις ανοίξατε στο εκείνα υπάρχουν.
Δεν τσακάρουν τα μανία.
Αλλά
Τα
επειδή...
φέρνει ρεύμα. Αλλά θέλουν να δανεώσουν να ενώνονται.
Ναι, βεβαίως. Επειδή υπάρχουν τα
63
φωτάκια.
τα μικρά τουλάχιστον.
Ναι, αυτά τα μικρά που υπάρχουν πάνω στο...
Ενώνονται.
Πολύ ωραία, ενώνονται, έτσι. So, you see, Marius has said that if there is any lights, it means there should be wires around it. So it means they can provide some lights over there as well. Otherwise, it's going to be too dark, and we don't want the dark bar. We don't want that breakfast bar, breakfast area as well. But we do want romantic.
Να το βάλουμε λίγο τώρα, να βάλεις ταινίες. Θα βγάσεις χρώματα τώρα.
Αλήθεια, πού?
Έχει ταινίες που βάλεις που μπορεί.
Αυτά, LED lights. LED lights, αυτά που έχουν...
Αυτές κάνεις το μπλε, αυτές
Ναι,
κάνεις το
ναι.
κόκκινο, αυτές
Κοίτα
κάνεις
τα-
το αυτές δίνει.
Και είναι να τα βάλουμε
Μες στο μπαρ.
βασικά πας στη μέση του μπαρ, ούτε ώστε να υπάρχει και μια ομορφιά πίσω μεριά από το μπαρ. Δηλαδή,
Ένα ρωτήσει Χριστούγεννα, να τσιλάσουμε αυτή τη σβήνη Χριστούγεννα.
ναι, ναι,
Ευχαριστώ.
ναι, ναι. Marius is saying that you can also put some lights, which is changing the color. You know, there's by remote control, you can put the lights anyhow you want and give to it any shape you want, and then you change the color of it by remote control. But I said that we are thinking to make that idea on this side, which is going to be amazing. But this one now, it's all lights, made to it a special beauty line. Beauty line.
Yes, indeed, we are to the rear of the main bar now. In a previous episode, we showed you one or two lights that were hooked up Now all of the upper bar lights are lit, so we know those circuits are good as well. Marika's practicing her Greek again with Marios.
Mario is saying that anywhere we have the possibility to put the lights, we will put. And further down, when you settle up the bar and when you put your furniture, when you put this bar stools and so on, he means when you're gonna be furnished, not me, the bar.
Yes,
Then,
indeed, of course. That's when we actually find out little areas perhaps where we want more lights. And the intention is to light up these rear arches like a Christmas tree, and perhaps a Marika and Me saying or two, perhaps the blue Mediterranean Sea. Perhaps, well, I'll get you a doggy a little bit later.
well, get me many doggies a little bit later, many doggies. But not that doggies that you mean. My doggy is a beautiful white Pomeranian Spitz.
So, if you like to see Marika wandering around the bar with a white Pomeranian, however you say it, Schmitz, well,
Schmitz.
drop in the comments, you never know. And we might bring TC the cat, because we were talking last night with Baroness Heather and Baron Steve, and I remember the first time we came to see this bar, that was the day that I collected a car from Sir David and Lady Angela, and they chucked in a cat as part of the deal. And that cat, of course, was called Simba. Now we call her TC. She's top cat.
They chucked the cat in the boot as a family heirloom, should I say? You know, like a family heirloom. Now she's family heirloom, and very quite smart she is, and quite clever one, because she knows exactly that she shouldn't go out, because there is a male cat down there, which been living for a long time with her in the same house, but on the first floor. So she knows that it's forbidden. She's a good girl.
She does stay indoors and checks her biscuits and her water very, very regularly. This is the Marika and Me Lounge Bar. This is the view that we will get when you guys come and visit us. And you may have noticed it's quite a big bar indeed. So we would like one or two of you to pop in and say a big, big hello to us. And obviously the prices that we're going to charge are going to be competitive with all of the surrounding bars. For example, a pint of Kia will be €3.50, a Guinness £4.50, can of Coke €2, €2.50, chump change, as we would say. But there's no doubt about it that the Marika and Me Lounge Bar slowly but surely is starting to take shape. Electricity and water are now at our disposal. So if you keep coming back, you're going to see as we transform this rundown bar into the greatest bar in downtown Kerepafos.
I can tell you, our dearest members of family, that I've already cleaned up every single inside of the cupboard. How do you call it? I don't know.
Inside, yeah. Marika, in our spare time, has been doing things that are off camera, and she has literally scrubbed down and cleaned all of the inside cupboards. Obviously, there's a lot more mess going to be taking place on the outside, but she has actually cleaned it down. But slowly but surely the dust returns, obviously.
Oh my God, I just see it, they've put it in behind, so good.
Some of the lights are in, yeah. They have installed some of the lights and some of the circuiting.
They all here. I was thinking where this unique light is coming from. This what I like most. Yes, they listened to me. Good boys, actually, they listened to me. I asked them to be put on these very lights, and because both sides is going to be amazing when it's lit up. How nice! I don't know what to say. Let me show what I brought to the bar.
She's brought some little gifts for the bar. Every day she goes out and finds something, by the way. Let's have a look what she's got today.
No, actually, I've already, no matter where do I buy it, I always wash it, and nice smelly, not very huge, that until the pain in your nose, you understand? And already these napkins and these mats.
Food placemats.
Yes, and some of the tissues that we will need. These are very good. To be honest with you, they were not very cheap. Villeroy and Bosch.
So they're a top brand, so they obviously cost us a couple of bob. But there we go.
Right, I have here 6 of these, but they are long, right? I can show you. And also, I brought and already washed and already ironed some. You know, when I will be cleaning glass, polishing the glasses and polishing all what should be shined for you. I always liked one idea in the bar, and let me tell you which is this. But I don't think it suits to us. You know, when the glasses, all types of glasses hanging.
Hanging from the top shelf, shall we say, along that shelf. I'm not a lover of it either. Drop in the comments, do you like to see hanging glasses gathering dust?
I don't think so.
I don't like it.
No. Even though there must be some, like, you can screw it in the wall.
You can put the racks up,
in the
yeah,
ceiling,
you can.
and just bring it a bit higher down, because I cannot be 2 meters. I'm not a giraffe.
She's not a giraffe. Now, let me take you over to this wall, because the wall coming into sight now is the Wall of Fame. And this is the wall that is by the Hollywood staircase. And of course, one or two of you, well, slightly more than one or two of you now, have decided to get involved in the Marika and Me Lounge Bar. And of course, you're going to get your name featured on a brick on that wall all the way up the staircase. And hopefully, slowly but surely, that wall will fill with the founding members of the Marika and Me Lounge Bar. And of course, the Hollywood staircase. You can purchase a step on there. I'd like to say a big shout out to our Princess Tracy. She's going to be purchasing number 16, which is coming up very, very shortly. That's a magic day in her life because that's her birthday. As we go upstairs, you're going to start to grasp the grandness of the Marika and Me Lounge Bar. It's got a spectacular ceiling. It's got a spectacular outside terrace and a further upstairs bar. It's going to be the greatest bar in downtown Terrace. You're going to come and have a fantastic time, and you're going to want to keep on coming back again and again. If you'd like to get involved and of course get your name on that Wall of Fame, all it costs you is £50. And many people will read your name and they will understand that you were a founding member of the Marika and Me Lounge Bar. And of course, if you want to buy stairs, you can. And if you want to get your name on a star hanging from this spectacular ceiling, you can as well. How do you do it? Well, it's very, very simple indeed. Go and hunt us down on PayPal. Look up Paul G. Cyprus. That's Paulgee Cyprus. Up will come my face and of course Marika's face. As we say, a big, big thank you to you.
Well, I would like to mention that we are so much happy about the new days, bringing the new events for us and new things to do. Overall, I'm happy that at least we have electricity, and very soon the plumber is coming to us as well. It's more than time now to do it. Overall, we are really happy together with you, and we are really ready to spread all the love to you, our dearest members of family. Many, many kisses from the bottom of our 2 hearts.
Please don't forget, if you want your name on a brick, if you want your name on a stair, if you want a star hanging from the ceiling with your name on it, hunt us down on PayPal, Paul G. Cyprus. A brick is £50, a stair is £200, and a star on the ceiling is £200. Remember, many people will come and read your name, and they'll be saying a big, big thank you to you, and of course, so do myself, and of course, the most beautiful woman in the world, Marika.
It is really big. This one is really, really big. Because if you compare, I'm not a very short woman, but not a giraffe either, as I said. But can you imagine the wheel? it's coming up to my, close to the balcony. My goodness.
It is indeed. That's the bike. We haven't decided what to do with it. Lady Kirstine in downtown Glasgow, she says hang it as a chandelier, and you never know, that's what we might be doing. There is the big chandelier, which is all lit up like a Christmas tree. Obviously there's work to do on it. It's going to have some bling and of course a bit of gold along with the banister. But overall, this is a spectacle of a bar indeed, and Priscilla Booth has now got herself into a pickle. There we go, drama at the Marika and Me lounge bar. Don't damage the pillar, Priscilla Booth.
I think it's broken.
You think it's broken?
Yeah, it is broken. I broke it. I think so.
And she has indeed. Thanks for watching. We'll go and sort this little problem out.
Yeah, well,
It appears that the weld is broken.
I understand that it was not really strong in this place because the one now went to, look.
Priscilla Booth has broken the bike.
No, actually it was a very thin place. Anyway, it's supposed to be done. This is the instrument that you bring and make.
We're going to have to spot weld it again. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again
Very, very soon. Indeed. And I cannot kiss you now because I'm holding so